Have you had thoughts of changing it up this year, but don't exactly have a huge budget? Great news. Today's video, I'm sharing with you 5 do-it-yourself tips that you can do in your home to make it feel like new this year. My name is Jonathan Mayotte, real estate broker with RE/MAX in your area. Before I get started, please take a moment and smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. It goes a long way in helping us get more content out to future viewers just like yourselves. So let's hit it off. Number 1, you can start by changing your kitchen and your bathroom hardware. Get rid of those old outdated hardware and put new ones in. It changes the total look of the place, okay? Number 2, you can change outdated lighting fixtures and light bulbs, etc. You can update those. That will totally change the feel of the room, okay? Number 3, you can try to do one of those peel and stick wallpaper accent walls in one of the rooms. It'll totally change the dynamic of that space, and it's a cheap and fast way of changing it. Number 4, try painting your front door. That will add so much character to your home, and it totally changes the look from the outside. Last but not least, number 5. Now, you can also add undermounted, kitchen cabinets, undermounted lighting. That will totally change the feel of the kitchen. And nowadays you can get those LED lights that you peel and stick, and they have remotes and they change colors, and you can have a whole big party, etc. So what you need to keep in mind is that you don't have to spend a ton of money to get a great result. Go out and do small changes that will make your home feel new for the year, and you'll feel a lot better about that space also. If you've had any thoughts of maybe tackling a bigger project this year, let us know. I'd be happy to refer you to some trusted contractors or handymen that can help you achieve your goal. I'm always available to help, and I'd be more than happy to do so. Just send us a quick message below and we'll get you in contact with some people in the area that can be trusted to do the work properly. That being said, I'd like to thank you for tuning into this week's show. And again, please consider subscribing and liking our video and commenting. Let us know, what projects have you tackled or are you planning on tackling this year? If you're thinking about doing a big ticket item, but you're also thinking of selling your home, or you're not too sure, before you do anything major, have a realtor come out. They can give you an idea of what would be the best return on investment reno that you could do for your property. That being said, have a great day, everyone. Again, please remember, in today's market now more than ever, who you work with, that truly matters.